Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how to change and add a new background to your video in the CapCut apps. So for example, I already have one video here, and to change or add a new background you are just going to remove the background before. So just click on a clip and then select cutout. So for this video you are just going to select remove background. So it's processing, you can see. Alright, I want to make it shorter. So to add the new background you're just going to click on the add button and select the new background. And for this video you are just going to make it as an overlay, so just click overlay. Alright, so you can see that's it. So simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.